Welcome back to the another session. In our previous session, we have discussed about what data science is and what we need to study in our to become a data scientist. Moreover, today in this session, we are going to discuss about how to write your first Python program. Yes, you heard right. How to write your first Python program. So first of all, let's play some drums for you guys. And without wasting any more time, yes, your first Python program. If you remember, in our course, we have discussed how to become a data scientist or what we need to become a data scientist, right? And today in this session, in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to write your first Python program. So you have to start writing your own codes and analyze it. You are getting wrong and right, and how to write a code. Okay. So let's get started. So in our course, I am going to use a Jupyter notebook in Jovian site. Okay. So which is nothing. This one. Okay. So you have to create your account there, and you can save all the program that you have wrote in your past. And whenever you want to see those program or your journey, you can go back and see. Okay. But there's an alternative way. If you don't want to use this site, just type Jupyter Lite in your Google or whichever browser you are using right now. Okay. And here you can also save the program and practice your Python code. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into it. So here you can see I have wrote 3 different programs. Okay. So let's run your first Python program. That is nothing but write your simplest program is nothing but we have to write we have to print some command in console. So this is the simplest program, I guess. Let me zoom in something so that you can see properly. Okay. So for running this program, what you have to do, you have to select that particular cell and click on this run button. You can see here the output come EKJourney. This is nothing but you already know YouTube name. Okay. So let me tell you something. An expression or statement is a piece of a code that the computer will perform or carry out. A print statement is arguably the simplest program you can create. Python will show the value of enclosing in parentheses. When you execute this print command, the argument in the value enclosed in a parenthesis. Okay. You will see a little rectangle. Okay. Whenever you select a cell, you will see a little rectangle here. With the statement, if you are using the Jupyter notebook for this session, okay, it is also known as cell. If you click the run button here, after selecting this cell with your mouse, the command will be carried out. The output will be shown below as you have seen here. In this video, we will adhere to this prelim. You should always remark on your code. This explain to others what your code does. Okay. You only preface your comment with a hash sign like this. Just I have wrote. Whatever you have to write, first you have to type a hash. Okay. Python will disregard the comment when you run the code. When Python is unable to comprehend your code, you get a syntax error like this. So whenever we have to print something in our console or in our output section, we can call it. So we have to write print command. This is a built-in function in a Python. Okay. So no need to create another dictionary for that. You just have to run the cell. You have to first select the cell, which cell you want to run. Okay. And then you have to click on the run button, or there is a shortcut key. You can simply press the shift and enter. Your command will be executed. So here you can see it's showing us an error. the name error, and you can see it is also indicating where you have wrote wrong. So here you can see, instead of print I have written print. Okay, and it is indicating like name print is not defined. We haven't defined that particular function. Okay, so this is another program. Okay, so what I have does, so this is a simply we are going to add two different numbers. So for that I have created a two variable and given a name num1 and num2. Input is a nothing but a inbuilt function in a Python. It will taking the it will take the numbers from the user, like yours, whatever you are going to do, and the final result we are going to save in the result section. You can write anything. I have wrote result. So this is another variable where we are going to store our final output. So numbers are nothing but a int. So we are going to discuss about int, float and other things also in Python. But here you have to just check how the code is work. You have to just analyze it and understand it. Okay, let me run this program. So whenever I press this run command, you can see here there's a one more cell come out. So it is asking us enter the first number. Let press, I am putting 2 and then enter. In second you can see here it is asking enter the second number. Let put 3. So the final output or the final result should be 5. Let hit the enter again and you can see the final result is 5. So we can say that our code is working perfectly as it has to be. Okay, so in this script the input function is used to promote the user for two numbers which are stored in the variable num1 and num2, as I said. Okay, the input function returns the user's input as a string. So the int function is used, this int function, so whenever you have to type a command for the particular section or particular code, you have to first print the hash and then write whatever you want. So int, so I was talking about the int. So int function is used to convert these string to integer form. Okay, then the two numbers are added together and the result is stored in the variable which I declared as a result. Okay, finally the print function is used to output the result to the console using the string formatting to display the input numbers and the result, which already has been done. You can see here first it asks us what we have to, which number you want to be added. Okay, so I wrote 2 and 3 and the final output should be 5, so it shows her. Okay, so this is for the today session. I hope you like our session. If you like it, just hit the like button.